Obviously medical private jet ni nyina mind game. Medical can never buy private jet. Even scammers now scamming omo sika omo onya no entimi to private jet. Private jet medical can never buy. Ojan.
They open your mouth, they talk say what he gets, anything he gets they show up. You think anything we get where we they show? You think say we like post anything we get? You know the number of things we get where we never post. We only they make you okay me. I only they make you see what I want make you see.
Adolfo Twene Jonas I receive medical private jet saga on his table. Not just a heavy justice to it during the recent warm up. Uchemwa or say medical can never in his life buy a private jet. So besides said, do we know the cost of private jet? Or say or not Twene Jonas, which of course we all know say a big lie. Or say our 2 private jets. Now do we know the cost of maintenance? What goes into owning a private jet and co? Obisa say even though Medikal cash out musically or say alleged scam activities and co, that is according to Insem Twene Jonas and wouldn't even afford him to buy a private jet. We all know the private jet history and how it started. Medikal and Asake indirect beef where he claimed say he is richer than Asake and Rema. Now later Asake brand new private jet emani posti Medikal challenged that private jet. So also a private jets mienu according to him also one is for weekends and the other is for week days. That didn't sit well with many Ghanaian social media content creators. Any Kwejo Sheldon studio where they created a content against the lies being told by Medikal. Anya Medikal the Oba life Ebeke Kana doing the Scanty who actually shot that particular content on behalf of Kwejo Sheldon. And no, and a problem no Akwaku drew Twene Jonas headquarters with DD Medikal attempt. Twene Jonas's video is also making a massive trend on line. I don't fancy a full video. Make sure to subscribe. I'm a Vimbas on YouTube. Ma young full video. Yaba to Amos.
Obviously medical private jet ni nyina mind game. Medikal can never buy private jet. Even scammers now scamming omo sika omo onya no entimi to private jet. Private jet Medikal can never buy. Ojan me private jet me wo miensa. Me de na me use na private jet na miensa no. Ni nyina e bia ni ho maintenance am ye 1 week Medikal betimi atua sa maintenance no. Private jet no engine no maintenance oil lefa. What you say maintenance crew members ya mo drive omo ye pilot for no obi a charge. Anti me dia me wo kura no commercial na me de business come no me nye bibini me nwene bibini me nwene jimi tse ade a bebo me ka bia me mfa sika nwuram nti de sika banko a na me ye nti Ghana ho no se de ka se wato nwum 2x4 we akoto private jet na dwen nya adwuma ono scamming no ye nwum na oto no nya kapreum. What I say, me private jet no, anya me kura anya me na me to first one bro ni bi na the chair me. Me business associate baako. And the mommy. Ti o the mommy no me hear cost of maintenance ni ade na. Na me say na me ntime enyusu private jet no so o. Say na metimi the ama renter. Enti for escafo ni ade o tutu kwan no. Me obi wo LaGuardia airport. And me obi wo JFK. Anko for the year den e tutu kwan. Until behind I make a lot of money all right from there. But Nina Ghana nintimento. What I say? Because me say Ghana me millions upon millions of dollars. Say private jet man find you man me just was a private jet. I said you see no Mexicano and one day. Na Ghana ni no tiwa Ghana sika na ekwensu how. Me ni so we say me no me big gate ne by Elon Musk money askafo me no na because sanko for that group na omo abi na dem ba America nti me nim bibi ni bia say me nim no me ni askafo na nam nti omo ama na ya me omo chele no nti omo bie links mami Enti many abrofo ne nam enti ade bia enye no mintu fu se koye private jet wo sika men koto because maintenance cost keke enon kwa be mo adane hiani dise bia wo America no opportunities wa obetim ne jet no kura adane cargo company be betimi ahan na omuti aka na de ode ye adwuma nti e ba sa benya more money nti obetimi a service obetimi ayeden atua crew ka obetimi ayeden a maintain jet ne ye. Obviously, do you know price of a private jet? Because my bank account was $700 million home. Private jet, the cheapest one ukra $50 million, ukra even $8 million. At me be America to. Obetimianya old type be at $8 million, $7 million, $20 million. Was me a more time millionaire. Ujai macho say me page ukra social media keke no me page no me only pa 500,000. Obi a $5, $4. Our page, you know, so I'm my subscribe, you know, all my subscribers, you know, and this $4 times, multiply $4 times 500,000 people, $4 times 500,000 people, and on quite $2 million, and this $2 million, you know, me jaiguma for a year, for 5 months, and on quite $10 million, and we have me followers keke, social media keke. Etite amateur say Twene Jonas o de me be Jimmy a say wo yo bia utimi compete me Ghana ni bia ni wa Ghana for pen asema o subscribe to the page to say me obi ani ho e me nko and am with that huge subscribers am tieska every month me nka YouTube ni other places nka and this guy me nya o social media no me mfa me nsanka no say sika no nko ano Ghana ni bia ni wo friend hu sika ni a otimi nya say sika ni bi every month be a muties can basa follow feel me keke entina wo ba be attack me no mo frefre me me manager no mo frefre ja obi ba be attack you God Ghana ni bia see me as a youth president youth leader ti wo di Jimmy be attack me I say me ba revenge me ba so gidi because Ghana for na ties ka ma me dane me no ni akwa enti I say me ye adwuma na mo aggressive I have feeling same.
It is a known fact, say Medikal is rich, he's cashing out musically or bought top shows. Now, still, fans, any Ghanaians been made demand, they say he should show clear evidence and proof, say truly, what private jet. According to them, almost a failure for him to do that. HSA, he is living a fake life. Adolfo, do you agree with them or not? For Adrian Chair, this particular post, Ebra, Vimbas TV, so, Ena. Vimbas TV.